Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and getting the gimbal awake. Mount the phone and slide it until it stays level. This reduces motor strain and saves battery. Once done, power on the gimbal and let it initialize. Make sure Bluetooth pairing is off until first calibration completes. If the clamp feels tight, remove the case so balance is accurate. These first steps set a stable baseline, so the motors only fine-tune movement rather than fighting a heavy offset. Now you calibrate and learn the controls so shots feel natural. Open the app and run the auto calibration. This aligns sensors and reduces drift. Next, practice switching modes: pan follow, tilt follow, and lock mode. These change how the gimbal reacts to your motion. Use short movements to test follow speed, then adjust the deadband and responsiveness in the settings so your footage is smooth. When you understand buttons and app settings, you can predict how the gimbal responds while walking or turning. Finish by practicing steady shooting and knowing one key fix: proper balance and firmware. Hold the gimbal with 2 hands or use a wrist strap. Walk heel to toe and keep elbows close to minimize shake. If you attach a lens or mic, rebalance before filming. Make sure to update firmware regularly and recalibrate if you notice jitter or slow drift. If problems persist, reset to factory settings and test with another phone to isolate hardware versus phone compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.